Alright, so we're never gonna find it. Just trying to find the specific thing is practically impossible. I mean, we're lucky we've been finding the subway stops and our exits to our hotel, but to actually find a specific store you're looking for is pretty much dumb luck. So, and we're not too lucky today so far. So as you can see, Google Maps is just moving our location all over the place without us even moving. So we have no clue where the hell we are. Okay, we found it. It only took forever. Alright, let's go in.
Bitter, mocha, ruby, milk chocolate, white. Milk chocolate. Let's go with the regular. Now we gotta go with, is there, oh, mango, definitely. There's no banana. So disappointed. Okay, mango. Let's see what else. Marshmallows, maybe. And okay, so let's do that. Okay, put it on. I think it's just one go like that. I'm really kind of heart racing a little closer. Now opening the package. Close up of that. There it is. That is the raspberry. Or you might call it. And that's the green mocha. She gets that then. Alright. I'm really trying to stretch this video out, guys. Paying $7 as you saw. Putting on the chocolate. Ooh, look at that. Oh, she's delicate, but very, very precise. Very precise. I like that. I love it. It's good. It's not sweaty in here. Anticipation is really making me sweaty.
It's very hot here.
Yeah, I know.
Are you going to post that in YouTube?
Yeah, this is going on YouTube. Say hi. Hi. I'll give you guys my card afterwards, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So there, you can see she's very precise. She messed up that one, but it's fine. It's fine. She'll get the next one. There's no rush. Time is of the essence. Time is endless. That's right. That's right. Alright. Look at it. It's like an art. And the masterpiece is done. KitKats. As you can see, we'll get a close-up right here.
There we go.
Good. All right, so we got the KitKat. This is it. It's a very expensive KitKat, but is it worth it? Let's find out. I got marshmallow, mango, and it looks like peanuts. I think it was supposed to be cashews.
Cashew, I think.
Whatever. So, anyways,
Oh, the battery died.
okay, so whatever. All right, so let's test this out. So let's eat. It's good. I'm not gonna say it ain't, but tastes like I could have made this for $1, but hey. $7 down the drain. It was good. Super pricey for what it was. But I guess you pay for the experience, which super pricey for what it was.
So that was Shawn eating a $7 KitKat. I'm glad I didn't buy one, but at least he got one after all this trouble. It's taken over an hour for this experience, but we had time to kill.
Alright, it tastes like, this is what it tastes like. It tastes like if you were eating a Kit Kat, you took a bite, then you threw one marshmallow in your mouth, one tiny slice of mango, and then one tiny piece of a nut, and then you ate it. So mostly you taste the Kit Kat. Like, to be honest, it was mostly a taste of a Kit Kat. Extremely disappointing.
Oh well, there you have it. Just buy a KitKat at the 7-Eleven.